Good morning, students. So let's start with part 2, chapter 7, Cube and Cube Roots, class 8, subject Maths. Let's go ahead. Now, cubes, a box-shaped solid object that has 6 identical square faces is called cube. The volume of cube is L cube, that is L into L into L, as cube has all the sides in the equal lengths. Cube root vocabulary. So here n is called index, x is called radicand, and this is radical sign. Cube root. The cube root of a number is the special value that when used in a multiplication 3 times gives that number. For example, 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. So the cube root of 27 is 3. What does cube root mean? The cube root of number is the value when multiplied by itself 3 times gives the original number. Properties of cube root. If a and b are any two numbers, whole numbers, then under root of cube ab is equals to cube root of a into cube root of b. If a and b are any two whole numbers where b is not 0, then under root of cube root a upon b is equals to cube root of a divided by cube root of b. Properties of cube of the numbers. Cube of all even natural numbers are even. So cube of 4 is 64, which is an even number. Cube of all odd numbers are odd. Cube of 3 is 27, which is even, which is odd number. Cube of natural number of the form of 3n is multiple of 27. Cube of 7 is equals to 343, which is the form of 3n plus 1. Cube of natural number of the form of 3n plus 1 is also the number of the form of 3n plus 1. Cube of 5 is 125, which is in the form of 3n plus 2. You can also cube negative numbers. If you cube 5, you get 125. If you cube minus 5, you get minus 125. So cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. Method of finding perfect cubes. To check whether a given number is perfect cube or not, resolve the given number into prime factors. Group together the triples of like prime factors. If no factor is left ungrouped, then give the number as a perfect cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. So that is the first group of 3 times 2. So 8 is a perfect cube of 2, or cube root of 8 is 2. 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. So 27 is the perfect cube of 3, or cube root of 27 is 3. For examples, under root cube 64 is 4 because 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 cube, which is 64. Minus 64 cube root is minus 4 because minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16 into minus 4 is minus 64. There are few more examples. You can see that 216 is a perfect cube of 6. 64 divided by 125 is the perfect cube of 4 upon 5 whole raised to cube. Few more example. 8a cube is the perfect cube of 2a cube. 27m raised to 12 is the perfect cube of 3m raised to 4 whole raised to cube. Minus 64 is the perfect cube of minus 4. Y raised to 15, that you can write y raised to 5 whole cube. Not all cube roots can be simplified. For example, cube root of 30, which is not possible as it is not a perfect cube. 30 does not have a perfect cube. It cannot be simplified. It can be simplified into the estimated numbers. So 30 cube, if you want to find out, what will you do? You will find the estimated cube, which is like 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. So 30 is more closer to 3. So the 30 under root cube root of 30 should be 3.1 or 3.2. I hope you have gone through the introductory videos. Now the next videos will be on the textual exercise. See you.